Hello guys, good afternoon. Chap chap. Say hi. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ronaldo. Okay, come here, brother. Show this camera. Eating. Hey, what? Let's go.
Eating time.
Eating time. Start. Shrimp. Skinless shrimp.
No?
Give Ronaldo na.
Alam mo nga.
Ulit, brothers. Number one.
Wow. Delicious. I think you have sili mo.
You have chili?
Sili. Mungkin mo.
Skinless shrimp. O kakat. Pipon, walang balat oh. Special. Bigay ng amo namin. You know how to eat this one? Check. You know? Only remove the skin, no? Nagtayo chop suey, oh. Remove the skin. This head yours should be like this.
Number one.
Number one.
Wow.
Ooh.
5 star. Wonderful.
Yeah. Special shrimp. Tiger prawn.
It cannot be it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, chili.
Good.
No need chili.
Great chili.
Yes, pata. Me aglet. No need chili. Ada chili. Ini strong.
Ini problem?
This one, you know, like shrimp. This one good. Too much power. Power, I know it power. I have power.
Kamera. Okay. Go. Hindi ko stuck lang yung looking.
Ano like camera.
Ha? Mm-hmm. What?
This should not.
Eating chili. Should be also check. You are a strong man, no?
You don't need chili.
Mm-hmm. Di marunong magkamay siya na. Ka marunong magkamay? Understand na, only using spoon ha? No problem. Should we learn this one, no? No? Wala kayong si, si Obet, mga kapsat.
Ulapin.
Tapang daw, sa yung ulo.
Pagod na, ugat.
Napagod. Ipon na may balat, saka walang balat.
Ano, sumurasa?
Forget na brother.
Okay. Number one.
Number one shrimp, no? Ipon. I'll try this one. Chili. Oh,
Muag.
hi! Anghang. Anghang. Aha. Kain. Kain ka absent oh. Stir fry shrimp.
What is this?
Masala noodles.
Sir.
You spicy? Okay, I'll try. You try also small. Good. Masala. Good. Good taste. Okay, no? It's okay. But only small spicy, no? Hindi marunong magkamay. You know how to use finger. Only using spoon. And some prata use siya for the sauce, much sauce.
But this one
Should we see how to use it?
also you have vitamin.
Yes.
You have vitamin.
Okay.
This one no.
Fingers have vitamin.
Yeah. You
Rice. Take.
Baba, you will what? You fast. Please. You fast.
Half na kami.
Why you?
Oh, should be eating all this one.
You asking? Why you asking?
No, I don't.
You're eating.
Say hi to your fans. Ronaldo. So invite him to come to eat. Ipon. Sarap. Lalaki. Nabalatan na. Ang ganda ng pagka-marinate. Galing pa ng ano to, ng Lulu, hypermarket. Yung plastic yan. Number one.
Who's the chef?
This one.
Who's the chef who cook?
Master cook.
Very good chef.
Number one. Where is it?
We present to you our today chef.
Number one. Cooker. Master chef. Chef Pururuk.
Chef Kalbu.
Chef Kalbu. Chef long hair. Wow, Chandra today win. Ang sarap mga best friend. Sarap ng hipon, oh. Hipon ang lalaki. Finish. Only the import. Number one. Well, brother, eat.